Okay, to get started on my pork roast today, I'm gonna make a rub to put on it. So I've got 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. Got 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. Okay, in this one I've got a teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. One teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon each of cumin and turmeric. Turmeric is so good for you. It's great for inflammation. I just found that out recently. Okay, and then I'm going to put some black pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. We'll mix all this together to make a rub. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna turn my Instant Pot on, saute. Let it start heating up. Okay, I got that part ready. Set that aside. Okay, on my pork roast, I'm gonna trim some of this fat off. I'm gonna leave some, but I don't want all of it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands really good, and I'll be back. Okay, I've left some of the fat on there, and now I'm gonna sprinkle this rub on there pretty generously. I'll turn it over. All sides. Okay, I'm gonna add some avocado oil to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna do the fatty side first. And when you want to hear that sizzle, you just want to brown each side really good. Okay, I'm going to turn this over to the other side now. See how brown that looks? I'm going to brown this side. Sprinkle a little bit more salt over the top. I want the fat side on the top. That way, as this cooks, all that juices will go down into the meat. It'll be so delicious. Okay. Turn it up on each side. Just sear it a little. Okay. Now for the liquid part, I'm going to use 8 ounces of apple juice. And just pour this around the sides. Okay, now after you pour the apple juice around the sides, I've got some of the leftover seasoning, and I'm just going to sprinkle it around the sides of the apple juice and on top. Okay, now I'm going to shut the lid. Okay, and I'm going to pick meat/stew. I'm going to hit it. And I'm going to put it up to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, it's on. I'll bring you back when it gets done. Thank you. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's falling apart. Okay. Okay, now what you want to do is just take your fork and just start shredding it. And any fatty pieces, I'm just going to put them on the side. My kitty cat will love it. Oh, look at that. It's going to be so good. If you shred this while it's hot, it just falls apart. But if you let it cool off, then it don't shred as easy. I just like to go through it and make sure all the fatty parts off of it. Moist. I gotta take a bite. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Okay, now after I get it shredded and gone through, this This is a little trick I like to do. I like to take some of the juice out of the pan and just kind of drizzle it over the top. This will keep it moist until ready to serve. Just kind of stir it around. And just keep it warm. There you go, my pulled pork. I done it in the Instant Pot. Here's my pulled pork I made. And then I'm gonna take my barbecue sauce and pour it over top. Oh man, that looks so good. I gotta taste it. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Can't hardly sit still and eat it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day.